everyone, happy Valentine's week. Today I'm going to show you how to make a special Valentine's craft, a Valentine's butterfly. You can make this for family, for friends, you can make it for someone you might admire, but I hope you all come along with us and have fun. Let's get started.
For this activity you will need paper, a pen, scissors, glue and paint. Step 1, we are going to get our piece of paper and we are going to draw the shape of a heart on the page. This needs to be bigger than our hand, so make sure to draw it around your hand. Step 2, we are going to cut out the shape of our heart. Be careful with scissors, they can be sharp. Okay, so now we have our heart, we're going to get our piece of paper and repeat steps 1 and 2 to make our second heart. Be sure to trace around your first heart to make it even. So once you've traced around your heart, you will have your second heart on the page and it is ready to cut out all the way around the line like you did your first one. Now we have our two hearts and these are going to become our butterfly's wings, and then we're going to make a body in the middle. So I'm going to get a piece of scrap paper from earlier and I'm going to make a mark to say what size I want the body to be. Make sure to make it nice and big because we're going to put a message on here, so we need to make sure it's the right size. And then we can start cutting it out carefully with our scissors. So once you have your body, you can place it in the middle and then it's time to make the head on top of the butterfly. So get another piece of paper and cut out a circle shape for your butterfly, any size you want. Once you've finished cutting out the head, you can pop it on the top, and as you can see, that's our butterfly almost finished with its body and its head. Now we need two antennas, so I'm going to cut out 2 strips of paper to make the antennas on top of the butterfly. Step 5, we're going to take all the parts of our butterfly and we are going to glue them together. So you're going to get a glue stick and you're going to put a little bit on each part of the butterfly to stick it all together. Next step is to take your pen and write your message on the body of the butterfly and a face on its head. You can decorate your butterfly however you want, but I'm just going to draw a little face on it. You might even want to put a lot more colour on than I did, but I just like a big smiley face. After drawing your face on, you're going to write your Valentine's message on the body. So I'm going to write, "You make my heart flutter," just like a butterfly flutters. Like I said, you can write whatever you want, so it might be someone's name or you might just want to draw or colour it in. Step 7 is the exciting part. You're going to take the paint and decorate your wings with your hands. So you can use whatever colours you want. I chose purple and pink. You can press your hands into the paint to make it easier, but I'm going to use a paintbrush to paint mine on. Okay, so choose which colour you want first. I'm going to go purple and start painting your hand, or press the paint in like I said before. This gets a little bit messy now. Once your hand is fully covered in the paint, take one of the wings and you're going to press your hand down nice and firm to make a handprint on your butterfly wing. So now that is one wing finished with our purple handprint. Now that I've finished with that one, I'm going to get rid of the purple paint and I'm going to move on to my pink paint. You again can choose whichever colour you want, and I'm just going to do the same thing with my paintbrush and paint my hand. And there we have it, our Valentine's butterflies, decorated with our handprint and with our very special Valentine's messages. What a great way to tell someone you care.
And there you have it, that's how you make a Valentine's butterfly. I hope you all have a good time making them at home, and if you do, be sure to tag us in your creations on Facebook, Instagram or Twitter. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye!